Hello friends and welcome to my channel Cyrus Creations. Happy Thanksgiving to all. I'm just here stopping by quick to show you how we can make a flavored butter to keep our turkey more moist and flavorable. So let's head to the recipe. Right, so for this recipe we need a half cup softened butter, and then we need 3 cloves of garlic. Then we need parsley, rosemary and thyme. We find this from joint food center, so it's good to get 3 together, and then we're gonna blend them real nicely. And also these 3 cloves of garlic we're gonna put together. And here I have some lemon zest too. I'm gonna put that one. Then after blending all them together nicely, because these herbs really gonna flavor our turkey and will make more moist. Alright, so I can see everything is really blending together, and then we can add we need salt and we need a black pepper, and we will use a couple drop of lemon juice too for that. But first we're gonna take all out. Alright, and then we will add some salt, sea salt. Remember, I have used unsalted butter, so that's why I'm using the salt. If you are using salted butter, you don't need any salt. And then some black pepper. You can even use a seasoning mix if you like, but I just like these 2 things. So I'm gonna mix them together. Smell is so good, really good. And then, as I told you, gonna need a couple drops of lemon juice. You can use a fresh lemon juice, as you already used lemon zest. Alright, as you can see, we have prepared very flavored butter today, and this recipe is so quick and it brings so much flavor to turkey and make it more moist. I'm so ready to flavor my turkey right now, and I hope you will try this quick recipe. Comments below what you think about this recipe. Don't forget to hit likes button and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more DIY recipes. Happy Thanksgiving!